then it's the same thing, an octave higher. 2, 3, 4. And then you just do the same rhythm over again on the left hand. That's it.
Okay.